In today's hyper-connected world, a new alliance is forming that could reshape digital security. On December 14, 2025, ServiceNow, a leader in workflow automation, is in advanced talks to acquire Armis, a rising cybersecurity star, for $7 billion. This deal signals a shift. Cybersecurity is now a top priority for every business, not just an IT concern. ServiceNow streamlines operations for global enterprises, while Armis specializes in securing the exploding universe of connected devices. Together, they could create a platform that makes businesses both more efficient and fundamentally safer. The timing is crucial. 2025 has seen devastating cyberattacks, making integrated security solutions more urgent than ever. This isn't just a business deal. It's a pivotal moment in the fight to protect our digital future. Let's dive into why this alliance matters and what it means for the future of cybersecurity. To understand this $7 billion deal, let's look at the companies involved. ServiceNow is the backbone of digital workflows for major enterprises, automating everything from IT requests to HR onboarding. With over 26,000 employees and a subscription-based model, ServiceNow is a powerhouse in operational efficiency. Recently, it's turned its focus to security, recognizing that seamless workflows are useless if not secure. Acquiring Armis would embed top-tier security directly into ServiceNow's platform. Armis, founded in 2016 by Israeli cyber intelligence veterans, specializes in agentless device security. It discovers and protects every connected device, computers, IoT gadgets, medical equipment, without installing software. Armis passively monitors network traffic, creating a real-time inventory and detecting threats instantly. This unique approach has made Armis indispensable for Fortune 100 companies needing visibility and protection. Their rapid growth reflects the urgent demand for comprehensive digital security. News of ServiceNow's talks to acquire Armis has electrified the tech world. At $7 billion, it would be ServiceNow's largest acquisition ever, a bold move to dominate both workflow automation and enterprise security. By integrating Armis, ServiceNow could offer a single platform to manage and secure every digital asset in real time. This synergy would transform ServiceNow into a holistic command center for operations and defense. The deal isn't final, but the advanced talks show strong mutual interest. Armis's cutting-edge technology makes it a coveted target in a fiercely competitive market. If completed, this acquisition could redefine what it means to be secure in the digital age. The $7 billion price tag for Armis reflects the escalating threat landscape of 2025, where cyberattacks are not just more frequent, but also more sophisticated and damaging than ever before. As digital transformation accelerates, the stakes for businesses and governments continue to rise. This year's relentless cyberattacks have exposed the fragility of global systems, costing billions and eroding trust. From healthcare to finance, no sector is immune, and the ripple effects of a single breach can be felt worldwide, disrupting operations and damaging reputations. Cybersecurity is now a boardroom priority, with executives treating digital resilience as essential for survival. Leadership teams are investing more resources and time into building robust defenses, recognizing that a proactive approach is the only way to stay ahead of evolving threats. Attackers use AI and automation to exploit vulnerabilities at unprecedented speed and scale. These advanced tools allow cybercriminals to bypass traditional defenses, making it critical for organizations to innovate just as quickly. Supply chain weaknesses mean a single vendor's lapse can trigger catastrophic breaches. Interconnected networks create new points of entry, and organizations must now scrutinize every partner and process to ensure end-to-end security. Companies need intelligent, adaptive security tools that can defend against unknown threats. Real-time monitoring and rapid response capabilities are no longer optional. They're essential for survival in today's digital world. Armis's real-time visibility and automated threat detection are in high demand, helping organizations identify and neutralize risks before they escalate into full-blown crises. The cybersecurity sector is booming as organizations race to secure their digital footprint. Demand for skilled professionals and advanced solutions has never been higher, fueling rapid innovation and investment across the industry. ServiceNow's move to acquire Armis is a direct response to this urgent need for integrated, advanced security. By combining their strengths, they aim to deliver comprehensive protection for a rapidly changing threat environment. It's a clear sign that top tech companies are willing to invest heavily in the future of digital defense, recognizing that cybersecurity is not just a technical issue, but a fundamental pillar of business resilience and trust in the digital age. Why is Armis so valuable in today's hyper-connected world? The answer lies in the invisible threats lurking within our digital environments, threats that most organizations don't even realize exist. Armis solves a critical problem, securing the vast, unseen world of connected devices that power our businesses, hospitals, and factories. Traditional security tools were designed for computers and servers, not for the sprawling mix of IoT gadgets, medical devices, and industrial sensors now found in every organization. These devices are everywhere, from office boardrooms to hospital wards and manufacturing floors. Many of these devices can't run security software, leaving them exposed and often completely invisible to IT teams. This creates blind spots that attackers can exploit, putting sensitive data and operations at risk. Armis's agentless platform passively monitors all network traffic, identifying every device, no matter how hidden, and creating a live, always up-to-date inventory. It goes further by analyzing device behavior, flagging unusual activity, and can even automatically quarantine compromised assets before they cause harm. For example, if a hospital pump starts acting suspiciously, Armis can instantly isolate it from the network, stopping threats before they have a chance to spread to other critical systems or patient data. This real-time detection and rapid response capability is invaluable in today's fast-moving threat landscape, where every second counts. Armis closes a dangerous security gap that most solutions overlook, providing the visibility and control organizations desperately need. In a world where a single compromised device can open the door to a massive breach, having complete visibility is not just important, it's essential for survival. That's why Armis's technology isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have for any modern security strategy, empowering organizations to protect what they can't see. $7 billion for Armis may seem huge at first glance, but when you look closer, it's a reflection of the fierce competition and high stakes in the cybersecurity industry. As digital threats grow more sophisticated, companies are under immense pressure to protect their data, infrastructure, and reputation. Tech giants are racing to acquire the best security talent and cutting-edge technology, often paying massive premiums to gain a strategic edge. These acquisitions aren't just about products, they're about securing future growth and staying ahead of evolving threats. Recent blockbuster deals, like Google's $32 billion acquisition of Wiz and Palo Alto Networks' $25 billion purchase of CyberArk, have completely reset market expectations, signaling just how valuable cybersecurity assets have become. Armis's latest private valuation was $6.1 billion, a figure that highlights strong investor confidence and the company's rapid growth trajectory in a crowded market. For ServiceNow, paying a premium isn't just about acquiring a product. It's about securing a recognized leader in device security and accelerating the evolution of its entire platform to meet future demands. Cybersecurity companies like Armis operate on high-margin, recurring SaaS revenue models, which makes them especially attractive investments for tech giants seeking stable, long-term growth. In August 2025, Armis reported $300 million in annual recurring revenue, and that number is growing rapidly as more organizations prioritize security. Acquiring Armis gives ServiceNow not just innovative technology, but also a scalable, predictable revenue stream that can fuel further expansion and innovation. The high price tag reflects both ServiceNow's financial strength and the strategic necessity of advanced security in today's digital-first world. In this context, the deal is a logical and forward-thinking move in a market where digital defense is not just valuable, it's truly priceless. Armis's rise from startup to $7 billion target is a story of vision and timing. Founded in Israel's cybersecurity hotbed, its leaders saw the risk posed by unmanaged and IoT devices before most. Their agentless approach quickly won over large enterprises in healthcare, manufacturing, and finance. Today, Armis protects over 40% of Fortune 100 companies, a remarkable feat for a young company. Its rapid customer adoption fueled explosive financial growth, reaching $300 million in annual recurring revenue by 2025. Armis was eyeing an IPO before ServiceNow entered the picture, A recent $435 million funding round valued it at $6.1 billion, setting the stage for a major exit. ServiceNow's interest offers Armis a chance to scale its impact globally as part of a leading enterprise platform. The ServiceNow Armis deal is part of a larger trend: cybersecurity consolidation. For years, enterprises juggled dozens of point solutions, creating complexity and security gaps. Now, tech giants are building integrated platforms by acquiring innovative startups. The goal: simplify security, reduce costs, and provide holistic protection. AI is driving this shift, enabling faster threat detection and automated responses. Startups like Armis, with powerful AI-driven engines, are prime targets for acquisition. The future will be dominated by a few large platforms offering broad, integrated security services. For Armis, joining ServiceNow means reaching thousands of top companies and amplifying its impact worldwide. The ServiceNow Armis talks mark a turning point for both companies and the cybersecurity industry. This deal elevates cybersecurity from a siloed IT function to a core business imperative. Combining ServiceNow's workflow automation with Armis's device security could set a new standard for digital protection. ServiceNow's $7 billion bet is about making security intrinsic to enterprise operations. For Armis, it's validation and a chance to secure the world's digital infrastructure at scale. This integration promises to break down barriers between IT and security, fostering true digital resilience. As businesses digitize, the ability to see and secure every asset will define their success. This potential union is a bold step toward a future where security is the foundation of modern business.